Welcome back, everyone. Do you remember the remote control Type-82 Kommandeurwagen? Well, FMS Model and Rochobby are at it again with another exciting 1/12 scale Volkswagen. That's right, friends. Here we have a Type-82 Kubelwagen. Yes, a Type-82 without the E. There are links down below in the video description if you'd like to see the Kubelwagen or Kommandeurwagen for more information. This little guy has some amazing detail, but even more so than the Kommandeurwagen. This Kubelwagen is even more intricate with its complexities in the body mold. Even more moving parts in addition to the same working components that you had seen on the previous car. Yes, the little motor even runs. The chassis has a torsion suspension just like the original Volkswagen with headlights, taillights, and even a working steering wheel. The chassis of the Kubelwagen appears to have all the same working parts with the same dimensions as the Kommandeurwagen, so it should perform exactly the same, so let's get ready to hit the dirt trail. But first, likey, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out duckshit.net for all my different social media links, and we'll be back right after the intro. Welcome back, everybody. So I took this little Kubelwagen over to the local skate park and let them have it. Well, it's no surprise that the Kubelwagen performed exactly as the Kommandeurwagen did, and it's just as fun. However, unlike when we filmed the last video where it was just raining every day and we were lucky enough to catch a break, now it hasn't rained in weeks, so the sand is like a fine powder. A little hard to get traction on. And I'm going to have to clean up this little Kubelwagen well, or maybe I should just leave it dusty with a more war-weathered, authentic look. Maybe I can paint it that way. Things to think about. Well, FMS Model's currently running a massive sale on both the Kubelwagen and the Kommandeurwagen, and I understand it's the biggest sale they've ever run in their history. So you might want to check out the website for sure. There's links down below in the video description and details about the sale, so please check it out. Thanks everybody for watching. Licky, likey, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be back hopefully tomorrow with another exciting new video. Appreciate it, guys. See you next time.